Hello mi gente, welcome to Fenty Face Friday. My name is Melissa Matos. You can call me also Melissa Matt on my Instagram. Today's day, we are gonna take over to this page and we're gonna do a smoky eye for that Friday night out. Keep watching. So for today, we're gonna use the Moroccan Spice palette. I'm very excited. I love the colors in this palette, but we first gotta use this amplifying primer, girl, because nobody wants that creasing and you want those colors to be popping out. So you gotta use this first. If you want better proof, look, this is the eyeshadow with no eye primer. This is the shadow with eye primer. Do you see the difference, girl? If you don't see it, you're blind. But I see a huge difference in here. So definitely eye primer it is. So pretty much you proceed. It has like this little brush, which is perfect because you can just apply it right there. Apply it all over the lid. And then you just blend it with a little fluffy brush, you know? So like I said, we're gonna take Come and Get It and we're gonna put it all over the crease. So that's the first step. You know, you're just gonna put that in the crease. The crease is right here. You see it, girl? You see it? And to give a little more dimension to the eyes, we're gonna use Spice Strip, which is this color right here. And we're gonna use it on the crease, but more on the crease towards the lid, if that makes any sense. Let's do it. Just gonna do this. Now let's get to the fun part. We're gonna use now the color Suka To Me, which is this beautiful dark green bluish color, and we're gonna take the 200 brush, which is a flat dense brush, and we're gonna press it all over the lid like this. Now we're gonna take this color again, Come and Get It, with our 210 brush, and you see the division between the lid and the crease right there. We're gonna do this, and it's pretty much gonna like unify the look. Now we have our eyes pretty much done. We still gotta do a couple more things, obviously. We're gonna take Marrakesh, which is this gold, beautiful gold color, and we're gonna put it right in our brow bone, just like this. So shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. You know? And now, let's proceed. So pretty much, I just dab it. The tip to it is try to like dab it and then dragging it towards the outside. And look. Look at those eyes, girl. Now let's go ahead and put Marrakesh again because I'm obsessed with this color. And we're going to put it on the inner corner. Girl.
Hi guys, my name is Ronke Raji at Ronke Raji on Instagram, and I am a beauty influencer who absolutely loves Fenty. So we're gonna be showing you the new collection. So let's go. So first we have these two brushes. One is for packing, the other is for blending. We have Fly Liner, we have their eyeshadow primer, and the beautiful Moroccan Spice palette. Yes, get into it. Here are my favorite shades. This is Evil Genie, Sahara Stunner, and I'm about to swatch Casablanca, which is so beautiful. Fly Liner in, cause I'm black. So I'm currently wearing Pro Filter foundation in 420, and I've had my makeup on since 6 a.m. this morning, and as you can see, flawless.
Hi Fenty family, I hope you're well. My name's Rowie and I'm an Indian beauty and content creator based in Sydney, Australia. And today I'm going to be doing a little tutorial and walking you through how I created this look using, of course, the new Moroccan Spice palette. Okay, so this tutorial is really just to focus on the Moroccan Spice palette today. So I've already done my base and of course I've used Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Foundation in the shade 290 and I've also concealed my eyes. So to kick off, I'm going to go in with that matte shade Saffron just on the outer corner of my eye. And I'm just going to start to build that up into my crease. Okay, I don't want to lie to you, and quite honestly, this palette makes it so easy to blend. Like, I could honestly blend this look in my sleep and I would still turn out a Fenty queen. I'm not even kidding. So I'm going in with the shade Casablanca on the inner corner using more of like a fine compacted tip. And what I love about applying a shimmer to the inner corner and a matte to the outer corner is that it really helps to open up those eyes. Now what I find helps to build that pigment is picking up as much color as you possibly can on your brush, but then just tapping it off slightly so you can avoid that excess fallout. And then just adding that to your inner corner and working your way in. Okay you guys, this is where the fun starts. I'm going to go in with Evil Genie, this beautiful turquoise color right here on the underside of my eye. Okay, so now I'm going to add some Fenty Trophy Wife in my inner corner, just for that extra bit of pop. So I've decided to go with Shawty Mademoiselle. This is literally my favorite color from the collection. Alright Fenty fam, one more step to go. Last but not least, I'm just going to top off this lip with, of course, Gloss Bomb.